Are you ready to on a thrilling journey into a future of gaming? Get ready to witness the groundbreaking announcements from Unity, the industry leader in gaming development. They have just unrevealed two next generation AI platforms that are set to revolutionize the way games are created and played. Introducing Unity Mouse and Unity Sentis, these incredible AI powerhouses are here to democratize the 3D creation process and integrating neural network into games like never before. Imagine the possibilities. With the Unity Mouse, developers can now accelerate assets and animation generation, seamlessly integrating into their workflows. But they are not all. Unity Mouse Chat brings an initiative chat window interference, helping developers troubleshooting potential issues with the innovative AI powered tool. And the Unity scientists get ready to witness a paradigm shift in game design. This powerful runtime interference engine bridge the gap between high-level neural networks and game integrations. Imagine non-player characters and AI opponents that are more responsive, intelligent, and capable of elevating your game experience to next high. But Unity AI revolution does not stop there. They are also launching an AI marketplace, a hub for developer to explore a range of AI solutions from generative AI tools to machine learning. For in-game AI characters, Unity commitments to collaboration and innovation is taking the game industry to the next level. Thanks for watching my videos and hit like, share and subscribe for more updates on the latest advancements in AI and gaming.